Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by accepting that Ps4 blocks most generic Bluetooth audio. This is why a workaround is needed. First, update your Ps4 system software so new drivers and fixes are applied. Once done, choose your hardware path: a USB Bluetooth dongle that explicitly supports Ps4 audio, or a Bluetooth transmitter that plugs into the controller 3.5mm jack or TV optical out. Make sure the dongle/transmitter is charged or powered, and that you have the headset in pairing mode. Now you install the chosen device and configure Ps4 output. If using a USB dongle, plug it into the Ps4 or a powered hub. The console may recognize it as an audio device. For optical or 3.5mm transmitters, connect to the Ps4 optical port or the controller headphone jack and secure a firm connection. Next, pair your headset with the dongle or transmitter using its pairing button and LED feedback. Make sure volume on both headset and Ps4 is set low before testing audio to avoid. Finish by adjusting Ps4 audio settings to route sound to your new device. Go to Settings, Devices, Audio Devices, select the output device and change output to headphones to all audio so game and chat are routed. If you notice latency, change the transmitter codec or use a wired 3.5mm connection through the controller for zero delay. If there is no audio, reboot the console, repair the headset. Try another USB port or a powered hub. These steps fix most connection and power issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.